My name is Ral Paliado from 10th Piece, and I will be reciting the accounting elements and the accounting titles. We have five accounting elements which is the ALORE. A for asset, L for liability, O for owner's equity, R for revenue, and E for expense. And let's start with asset. Asset is yung pagmamay-ari ng negosyo. It has accounting titles that's called Cain's Beef Pell. C for cash. Cash has two types, cash in on hand, and cash in bank. Cash on hand is yung mga paper bills, coins, and cheque. Cash in bank is yung nasa bangko. A for account receivable, I for interest receivable, N for note receivable, S for supplies, B for buildings, I for inventory. Inventory is yung mga hindi pa nabebenta. And F for furnitures and pictures. Furniture is yung mga nagagalaw and picture is yung hindi nagagalaw. Okay. P for prepaid expense. Prepaid expense is yung nabayadan mo na pero di mo pa napapakinabangan. And E for equipments and tools. Equipment is yung may kuryente and tools is yung wala. L for land. Land is the only one who appreciate the value. Kumbaga, land lang ang nag-increase ng value, yung iba yung decrease na. And let's move on in liability. Liability is ang utang ng negosyo. It has accounting elements, a title called anostium. A for account payable, N for note payable, U for utility payable, S for salary payable, T for taxes payable, I for interest payable, U for unearned income, M for mortgage, and let's move on in owner's equity. In owner's equity, we have two accounting titles which is C and D. And the owner's equity is ang pera ng negosyo. C is for capital, D is for drawing. And let's move on in revenue. Revenue has accounting title that is called SRSLOC. And revenue is ang kita ng negosyo. S for service income, R for rent income, S for sales income, L for legal income, O for other income, and C for commission. And let's move on in expense. In expense, ito ang mga kagastusan ng negosyo. And it has accounting titles that is truster. T for trust and licenses, R for rent expenses, U for utility expenses, S for salary expenses, S for supplies expenses, T for transportation, A for advertising expenses, I for insurance expense, R for repair and maintenance. And let's move on in financial statements. Financial statement has income statement. Income statement has single step and revenue and expense. And let's move on in balance sheet. Balance sheet has account form and report form, and has the asset, liability, and owner's equity. And let's go on debit. Debit has asset and expense, and the last is credit. Credit has the liability, ownership, equity, and revenue.